Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are making a delicious beef stew, so stick around. We'll start with the best smelling first, which is bacon. Honestly, is there anything that smells better than bacon? You tell me in the comments. But I don't think so. Now while the bacon's cooking, I'm going to toss the flour in the chicken with some salt and pepper. Now this is going to make for a thicker stew, which is what I want. We'll give this a mix. Now I'm going to spoon all the bacon out of this pot into a bowl, but I'm going to leave the bacon grease inside for the chicken to cook in. Now we'll just add the chicken to the pot and brown about 2 to 3 minutes on each side. Try to separate it as much as you can so it gets cooked on all sides of the chicken pieces. All right, the chicken's looking amazing. So I'm going to remove the chicken from the pot and add the chicken to the bacon bowl. Leaving as much grease in the pot as possible. Now your chicken doesn't have to be cooked all the way through because it will continue cooking in the stew with all the seasonings and broth. Next we're going to add our celery, carrots, and onions. Another fantastic smell. And we will saute these until they are almost cooked through. If you need a little bit more oil, you can add it whenever you like. Give the veggies a stir. And I will add my garlic, my minced garlic. Give it another stir, let it sit for another couple minutes. And it's time to add some spices. Okay, so we're going to add some thyme, some rosemary. I will put the recipe below for you guys. A couple bay leaves. And we'll add to the bacon smoky flavor by adding some smoked paprika. And we'll give that a stir. I haven't made this in such a long time. I am so looking forward to it. Especially since it's like minus 35 outside. We are in Alberta. Really cold. Okay. We're going to add the chicken and the bacon back to the pot. And then we're going to add some chicken broth. And we'll give it a stir. Okay, so we're going to bring it to a boil. And then we'll reduce the heat to simmer it for about 25 minutes. I'll be back. I'm going to add the potatoes. Now with the flour on the chicken and the starch from the potatoes, I'm hoping that it thickens up with just those two. But if it doesn't, at the very end, I'll add some heavy cream. So we're going to cook it for a while just to make sure all the vegetables, potatoes including, are cooked through, and I'll be back. Okay guys, I'm not going to lie. I just tasted it, but I'm going to taste it again because it is so good. Oh my God. The flavors in there. Holy, oops. But it doesn't, I think I want it a little bit more creamy. Everything is cooked through. It's ready to go. But I want it a little more creamy. So I'm going to add some heavy cream, and then I'll give it a stir. And then that is dinner, guys. It's going to sit here for a while and get thickened because it is not our dinner time yet. But I can hardly wait. I can hardly wait for dinner. Oh my God. So good. I am so happy I made this for supper. Thank you so much for watching, you guys, and I will see you in the next video.